Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on setting up your widgets in Streamelements. First things first, extract the downloadable file and open the resulting folder. Inside you'll find 4 text files which we'll use shortly. Keep this folder handy and let's switch over to Streamelements. Navigate to the Overlays page and click on New Overlay. Select the 1080p resolution option and then click Start. On the left, click on Add Widget, then choose Static/Custom and select Custom Widget. In the Position, Size and Style section, set your width and height to 800 pixels each. Once done, collapse this section and proceed to the editor. You'll notice that the tab names here match the text files in your download. Copy and paste the contents from each text file into the corresponding tabs in the editor. Click Done when you've finished. Now you'll see numerous options on the left to customize your chat widget. Before you start tweaking these settings, pay attention to the preview settings. The preview function is enabled by default, which is great for testing. But remember to turn it off when you go live. Don't forget to save your overlay after making changes. Let's take a look at the customization options a bit more closely. For quick guidance, you can also reference the text guide on our website, which details all of these settings. Scroll down to the appearance options and you'll see settings for the chat style. This setting switches between a traditional box overlay and the chat bubbles style. You can also change the edge softness. This will give the bubbles or chat box border more rounded or harder edges. Then is the chat box style section. Here you can make specific changes to the widget that set the chat box layout. Then the font options section is where you change the size, style or thickness of the fonts for both the username or messages. Further on in the chat settings, you can modify some of the behavior of the widget. One useful feature is the Hide Messages toggle. Once this is enabled, messages will disappear after a set time. Now it's time to change the colors and get the chat messages to fit better with your existing branding. You can edit the color for each bubble as well as the text colors. And that's pretty much everything covered for this chat widget. Spend some time playing with different settings to really personalize the widget with your existing branding. One important thing to remember, make sure to click the Save button to apply any changes that you make. Copy the overlay URL in from Streamelements, then launch OBS. Create a new browser source within the scene, then paste in the widget URL into the browser source properties. Also set the browser source width and height to match what you set in Streamelements. In this case we will set it to 800. And that's everything. Now any settings that you change in Streamelements will also be reflected in OBS.